Good morning, student. Today we discuss the topic vector, and in this topic the point is section formula. Section formula. First, theorem. Section formula for internal division. माहित आहे सेक्शन फॉर्म्युलामध्ये दोन डिव्हिजन असतात, एक असते इंटरनल, दुसरी असते एक्सटर्नल. हा थेरम एक्झाम्पल दृष्टिकोनातून महत्त्वाचा आहे. स्टेटमेंट रेट ए ऑफ ए बार मीन्स पोझिशन वेक्टर आहे बी ऑफ बी बार बी any two points so that A and any 2 points in the space and agwa B point and agwa B point on the line segment AB joining the line segment AB dividing in the ratio M has to N, in the ratio M has to N, then alpha is equal to M B bar plus N A bar divided by M plus N. 2 points A and B, that means segment AB, and R is the point on the right segment which divides the ratio M has to M. Then alpha is equal to M into B bar plus N into A bar divided by M plus N. मध्ये यासाठी आपल्याला हे करणे आवश्यक आहे. सेगमेंट ए बी इथे पॉइंट असेल हो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ओरिजिन आहे. दोन पोझिशन वेक्टर आहेत. दिस इज ए बार, हे असेल बी बार. R point है which divides the segment AB. This is R bar. In point है this distance AR means M and this RB means N. फिर इतना आवश्यक है as R is a point. As R is the point on the right segment AB such that this point I such that A dash R dash B. R point होता है A and B च्या मध्ये आहे and this A upon RB is equal to M upon N, the ratio of AR upon RB equal to M has to N. Therefore, this is M into RB equal to N into AR. But the direction, the vector AR and RB कशात कोऑर्डिनेट आहे. Therefore, the vector M into RB N into AR, since the vector AR and RB is in the same direction, दोन vectors आहेत, same directions आहेत. therefore m into this RB means vector RB means position vector of P minus position vector of R equal to n into position vector of R minus A bar. Therefore m into B bar minus m into R bar is equal to n into R bar minus n into A bar. इकडे ना प्रतिक्रिया m R bar plus n R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar. कॉमन क्या है इस R bar into m plus n is equal to m B bar plus n A bar. Hence therefore this R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar divided by m plus n. Hence section formula this R bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar divided by m plus n. This is our section formula for internal division. Next is section formula for external division. Section formula for external division. Theorem and statement. Let A of A bar and B of B bar be any 2 points in this space, be any 2 points in this space, and R bar be a third point, on the right segment, AB, dividing externally in the ratio m/pn, dividing externally in the ratio m/pn. Then this R bar is equal to m B bar minus n A bar divided by m minus n. Then this R bar is equal to m into B bar minus n into A bar divided by m minus n. इधर थोड़ा चेंज कर तुम्ही बाकी से आहे असंच. A point B, this is R point. R point कुठे आहे? A B च्या outside आहे. Vector A, vector B, vector R. This AR means EM, the ratio is EM, and PR means ER. थोडक्यात जे डिस्टन्स AR आहे ते M पटीत आहे आणि PR म्हणजे N मध्ये सेम प्रोसिजर असणार आहे ते. As R is a point on the right segment, such that condition काय आहे, such that B dash हे condition आहे outside आहे and ratio काय आहे ते AR upon BR equal to m/pn, therefore n into AR is equal to m into BR Therefore, next is n into AR equal to m into PR. Since the vector direction is the vector ARG and PR is same आहे. Vector AR and PR is in the same direction. Therefore, n into is R bar minus A bar equal to m into R bar minus P bar equal to n into R bar minus n into A bar is equal to m into R bar minus m into P bar. Therefore, m R bar minus n R bar is equal to m B bar minus n A bar. Taking this R bar common, that means R bar into m minus n equal to m B bar minus n A bar. Hence, this R bar is equal to m B bar minus n A bar divided by m minus n. This is the section formula for external division. This is the section formula for external division. इथे दोन सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला संपतात. त्याचा नोट फर्स्ट होता सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला फॉर इंटरनल डिवीजन आणि दुसरा आहे सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला फॉर एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन. आता ज्या नोट असतील त्या नोटचा उपयोग एक्झाम्पल सोडवण्यासाठी होतो. Note first. A1, A2, A3. क्या A point है A1, A2, A3 and B, B1, B2, B3 and R, R1, R2, R3 divides the segment AB in the ratio MSPR. Then ज्यावेळेस specific असा internal external division आहे त्यावेळेस the point divides internal division, that means in the ratio MSPR. Then this RI equal to m into BI plus n into AI divided by m plus n, where I goes 1, 2, 3. I goes, that means I is equal to 1, 2, 3. This first note. Note second is known as midpoint formula. Second note म्हणजे midpoint formula आहे. If this is the midpoint of segment AB, then midpoint म्हणजे त्याचा रेशो काय असेल m is equal to n. using section formula for internal division. Using section formula for internal division, we get R1 is equal to m is here, that means B bar plus A bar upon 2. This is known as the midpoint formula. Then third is centroid formula is not on section formula. If A of A1 is position vector, B of B1 and C of C1 be the vertices of triangle ABC, be the vertices of triangle ABC, then G1 is equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1 upon 3, where G of G1 is the centroid of triangle ABC. G of G1 is the centroid of triangle ABC. Next note of this: whenever the ratio in which at point R divides the join of two points AB, that means the point R divides the segment AB is required. It is convenient to take K as to 1. It is convenient to take K as to 1. जर समजा K पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर तो पॉइंट डिवाइड होणार इंटरनली, आणि जर K निगेटिव्ह असेल तर पॉइंट डिवाइड होणार एक्सटर्नली. काय सांगितलं ते? K जर पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर पॉइंट डिवाइड्स इंटरनल डिव्हिजन असेल, आणि जर K निगेटिव्ह असेल तर एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन. अँड नोट 5, लास्ट नोट इज 5. If A1, B1, C1 and D1 be the position vectors of a tetrahedron, then position vector of its centroid is G1 is equal to जेवढे वेक्टर आहेत त्याची ॲडिशन करायची, जेवढे वेक्टर आहेत त्याची त्या क्वांटिटीने भागायचं. A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 अपॉन किती वेक्टर किती 4, म्हणजे ते 4 ने डिवाइड होणार. That means G1 is equal to A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 अपॉन 4. त्याच्यात त्याचे नोट सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला चे नोट. आता एक्सरसाइज 5.2 एक्झाम्पल सोपे, पण त्यासाठी सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला 2 फॉर्म्युले आहेत, इंटरनल डिव्हिजन आणि एक्सटर्नल डिव्हिजन. ते माहिती असणं आवश्यक आहे, त्याशिवाय एक्झाम्पल सोडू शकत नाही. Example first, exercise 5.2. त्याच्यामध्ये example first, find the position vector of point R which divides divides the right segment, which divides the right segment PQ, that means joining the point P and Q, whose position vectors are PJ, P, that means position vector is 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap and minus 5I cap plus 2J cap minus 5K cap in the ratio K has to 2, in the ratio K has to 2, first internally and second externally. म्हणजे ते ratio same आहे आणि you have to find the division internal and external. And then first given data as it is, so this means first get P bar equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap and Q bar equal to minus 5I cap plus 2J cap minus 5K cap be the position vector of points P and Q respectively. Get P bar equal to 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap and Q bar equal to minus 5I cap plus 2J cap minus 5K cap be the position vectors of points P and Q. Get be the point divides the segment PQ. First, internally in the ratio first in the ratio K has to 2, then using section formula for internal division, म्हणजे काय होणार ते alpha is equal to m म्हणजे किती आहे तर k into m bar म्हणजे काय होणार q bar plus 2 into a bar means p bar divided by m plus here, that means to get plus 2. So k into q bar means minus 5I cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap plus 2 into P bar means 2I cap minus J cap plus 3K cap divided by 3 plus 2. This is equal to minus 15I cap plus 6J cap minus 15K cap minus 15I cap plus 6J cap minus 15K cap plus 4I cap minus 2J cap plus 6K cap divided by 5. This is equal to minus 15 plus 12 means minus 11I cap 6 minus 2 means plus 12J cap minus 15 plus 6 means minus 9K cap divided by 5. That means this is equal to minus a1 upon 5 into I cap plus 12 upon 5 into j cap plus minus 9 upon 5 into k cap. This is the position vector. Is the position vector of point R which divides internal and second you get R bar be the point divides the which divide the segment PQ externally, segment PQ externally in the ratio k/2. Then using section formula for external division, using section formula for external division, we get this R is equal to इथे फक्त काय येणार sin minus होणार तो q bar minus 2 p bar divided by q minus 2. This is equal to k into minus 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap plus 2 into 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap divided by minus minus 2. This is equal to minus 59 cap minus 6 plus 6j cap minus 15k cap minus that will be minus 2 into 2 minus 4i cap minus plus 2j cap minus 6k cap divided by 3 minus 2 means what? This is equal to minus 99 cap plus 8j cap minus 21k cap minus 99 cap plus 8j cap minus 21k cap is the position vector of point, is the position vector of point which divides the segment PQ internally in the ratio k/2, in the ratio k/2